So yes YouTube, welcome back to another video. In today's video we have a modification video. It's been a while, innit? Trust me. We're gonna upgrade the discs on the S3. We've got some Brembo discs, front and back, drilled discs. So we're gonna be installing these on the S3. Remember people, if you like videos like this, please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe and all of that good stuff. Let's get into it. So there you have it, Brembo discs drilled, but I want to try something a little different with these discs. What I want to do, centre bit, I want to spray it all black. The discs that I have on the car now, standard stock Audi S3 discs, what happens is the middle bit tends to rust up and it looks all tacky. I'm not going to say what I'm going to do is going to be perfectly fine and it's not going to rust over. I mean, over time it will just rust back over, who knows, but that's what I want to try and do for today. So mask off all the discs and spray the centre black and do it on all 4 discs and then ready for the install. So that's done. I'll show you the paint we're going to be using as well. This is the spray I'm going to be using. VHT black, protects up to 800 degrees for manifolds and exhaust, oil and petrol resistant. Basically all we've got to do is clean the area to be treated of any dirt, rust, oil, grease, etc. Mask off areas which do not require treatment. All I've got to do is just clean up the area that I'm ready to spray, give a good old shake, and then apply. Let it set, and then it's good to go.
putting the rear brake pad in service mode.
You pull out the wall of your fucking hamstring. It's not like the old days where you gotta wind them back.
Nah, mate.
And your defender still couldn't pass me. Imagine that.
When you look like you didn't know when you had this.
Obviously.
My side of shit.
You hear it?
Alright, DC. Fuck,
There's one minute
I got 10, we'll get
performance disc?
Yeah, it's got vented out, so it makes the brakes cool down better, which makes it more efficient. That's my Jenna.
What is it, 125?
Yeah. I know this torque setting, but these got longer bolts, so I tend to do them at 130.
people, there you have it. Back and front disc and pads replaced on the S3. Brembo discs and Brembo pads all around. Yeah, if you like videos like this, people, make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, and all of that good stuff. So at some point it needed changing. So big up the guys, big up Shams. Big up Shams, big up Theo on the works each and every time.
Insta Shamzautos mobile servicing.
Yeah, cool, innit? Give Shams a follow as well, man. You know his details. But yes, people, as I said before, please, if you like videos like this, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and all of that good stuff. We'll catch up on the next one, yeah? Peace.
Sound.